How to create slow motion edits in Filto. First of all, open the Filto app and tap the plus button to start a new project. Select the video clip you want to edit from your gallery. Next, choose the aspect ratio that fits your platform, such as 9:16 for stories or reels. Now tap on the video clip timeline to open the editing options. Look for the speed control or a similar tool in the editing menu. Drag the speed slider to the left to slow down your video or choose 0.5x for a smooth slow motion effect. You can preview the video to see how the slow motion looks and adjust the speed until you are happy with the result. If needed, add filters, effects, or music to enhance your slow motion video. Finally, tap the save button to export your video in high quality. Now you know how to create slow motion edits in Filto. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.